Most people judge their financial progress by looking at their income. If they earn more than they did a few years ago, they assume they must be doing better financially. Others compare themselves to friends, coworkers, neighbors, or people they follow online. If someone else appears to have a bigger house, a newer car, or more expensive vacations, they conclude they must be falling behind. The problem is that neither income nor appearances provide an accurate picture of financial success. In fact, many people who look wealthy are struggling financially, while others who appear completely ordinary are quietly building substantial wealth behind the scenes. So the real question is not whether you earn more than average. The real question is whether you are actually doing better financially than the average person. The answer may surprise you, because financial success is often measured using the wrong scoreboard. Most people focus on what can be seen. Wealth is usually hidden. Debt is often hidden. Financial stress is hidden. Investment accounts are hidden. Emergency savings are hidden. The result is that people spend years comparing their reality to someone else's highlight reel without ever seeing the full picture. Imagine two individuals earning the same salary. One spends nearly every dollar that comes in. Their lifestyle looks impressive from the outside. They drive a newer vehicle, upgrade their gadgets regularly, and take expensive vacations. The other person drives an older car, invests consistently, maintains an emergency fund, and avoids unnecessary debt. Fast forward 10 years, and their financial lives look completely different. Yet during most of that decade, many observers would have assumed the first person was doing better financially. This is why understanding where you truly stand requires looking beyond income alone. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos from us. With that said, let's get back to the video. The first indicator that you're doing better financially than average is having an emergency fund. This may not sound exciting, but it is one of the strongest signs of financial stability. Many people live one unexpected expense away from financial stress. A car repair, medical bill, home repair, or temporary job loss can quickly become a crisis when savings are limited. Having several months of expenses set aside means financial setbacks become inconveniences rather than disasters. The second indicator is spending less than you earn consistently. This sounds obvious, yet countless people earn respectable incomes while remaining trapped in a cycle of financial pressure. The issue is not always low income. Often it is the absence of financial margin. If every dollar is already committed before the next paycheck arrives, financial progress becomes difficult regardless of income level. People who consistently create a gap between earnings and spending are building a foundation that many others never establish. Another important measure is debt. Not all debt is equal, but high-interest consumer debt often acts as a major obstacle to wealth building. If your credit card balances are growing, personal loans are accumulating, and monthly payments continue expanding, financial progress becomes harder no matter how much money you make. On the other hand, someone who is actively reducing debt or avoiding unnecessary borrowing may be in a far stronger financial position than they realize. One of the most overlooked indicators is your savings rate. Many people focus entirely on income growth while ignoring how much of that income is actually being saved and invested. Imagine two individuals. One earns $80,000 and saves 2%. Another earns $50,000 and saves 15%. The second individual is often building wealth much faster despite earning significantly less. This is why savings rate frequently matters more than income when evaluating long-term financial progress. The next indicator is whether your net worth is growing. Net worth is simply what you own minus what you owe. It is one of the most honest measures of financial progress because it captures both assets and liabilities. Income can rise while net worth remains stagnant. Lifestyle can improve while wealth stays flat. But if net worth is increasing consistently over time, it usually signals that financial progress is actually occurring. Many people also underestimate the importance of financial flexibility. Being financially successful is not just about accumulating money, it is about having options. Can you handle an unexpected expense without panic? Can you survive several months without income if necessary? Can you make major life decisions without immediate financial pressure? These questions reveal far more about financial health than salary alone. Social media has made this comparison problem even worse. Every day, people are exposed to images of luxury lifestyles, expensive purchases, and apparent financial success. What rarely appears alongside those images is the debt, financial stress, or lack of savings that may exist behind the scenes. This creates a dangerous illusion where average people constantly compare themselves to carefully selected moments from other people's lives. The truth is that many individuals who appear successful financially are operating with very little margin. Some carry significant debt, others have minimal savings. Some are completely dependent on maintaining their current income level indefinitely. Their lifestyle may look impressive, but their financial foundation may be surprisingly fragile. Here's a question for you. Do you feel more financially secure today than you did 5 years ago? Or do you feel like you're simply earning more while carrying bigger financial responsibilities? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because it will be interesting to see how different people measure financial progress. Another sign you're doing better than average is investing consistently. The amount matters less than the habit itself. Regular investing demonstrates long-term thinking. It means part of your income is working toward future goals rather than being consumed entirely in the present. Over time, this habit becomes one of the biggest drivers of wealth creation. Many financially successful people also avoid lifestyle inflation. As income increases, they allow their savings and investments to increase as well. This is much harder than it sounds, because modern culture constantly encourages spending upgrades. Bigger homes, newer vehicles, more subscriptions, and more expensive experiences all compete for additional income. Those who resist the urge to upgrade everything immediately often build wealth much faster than those who expand spending with every raise. Perhaps the most important indicator of all is whether your financial future is improving. Financial success is not a snapshot, it is a direction. Someone earning a modest income while steadily increasing savings, reducing debt, and growing investments may be doing far better financially than someone earning twice as much while moving in the opposite direction. This perspective changes everything because it shifts attention away from comparison and toward progress. The goal is not necessarily to outperform everyone else. The goal is to become more financially secure than you were yesterday, last year, and 5 years ago. At the beginning of this video, we asked whether you're actually doing better financially than average. The answer depends on more than income, possessions, or appearances. It depends on savings, debt, investing, flexibility, net worth, and the direction your finances are moving. Many people who feel financially behind are actually making excellent progress. Meanwhile, some people who appear financially successful are building very little long-term wealth. The important thing is understanding the difference. Once you start measuring the right things, financial progress becomes much easier to recognize and improve. Wealth is not built through appearances. It is built through consistent habits repeated over long periods of time. A year from now, your financial situation will largely reflect the decisions you make today. Small improvements may seem insignificant in the moment, but their impact grows with time. The sooner you focus on the factors that truly matter, the sooner you'll stop comparing yourself to others and start building a stronger financial future. If you want to continue improving your financial future, check out one of the videos on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.